Nnamdi Kanu's trial is set to resume on March 21st. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to hear this morning by the Daily Beef News. Well, we have here that Nnamdi Kanu's trial is to resume on March 21st. Okay, under here we have the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), is set to resume on March 21st, 2025, under a new judge, Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja. This reassignment follows a request by Kanu and his legal team for the recusal of the previous judge, Justice Binta Nyako, due to allegation of bias. Kanu faces charges including terrorism, treason, involvement with a banned separatist movement, inciting public violence through radio broadcast, and defamation of Nigerian authorities. He has pleaded not guilty to all these charges. The trial has experienced several delays and legal challenges. In December 2023, Nigerian Supreme Court reinstated terrorism charges against Kanu, overturning a previous appeal court decision that had discharged him. This led to the resumption of his trial, and the upcoming proceeding on March 21st will mark the continuation of Kanu's trial under a new judicial oversight of Justice Omotosho. And that was in summary of what we have here concerning this headline today this morning. Which says that Nnamdi Kanu trial is to resume on March 21st. I mean, every Biafran and every Nnamdi Kanu supporter, would like say IPOB as a whole, is like wow, because for a very long time this Nnamdi Kanu's case has been very much delayed. Like the federal government has been delaying it. Like they keep delaying and they intentionally do what they do. The federal government intentionally do what they do. Like back in 2024, Nnamdi Kanu told Binta Nyako to rescue herself. Everybody knows that, and she did rescue herself because they accused her of bias, which of course she's guilty of. Binta Nyako is everything opposite of a good lawyer. She's just the opposite of a good lawyer. Yes, she commits bias. She's just against Nnamdi Kanu. That's just the definition of Binta Nyako. So she did rescue herself. And according to the Federal Gazetted Law of Nigeria and according to the Constitution of Nigeria, once a lawyer, whether he or she, rescues herself or himself from any case, they can't come back. You are the lawyer, you are a judge, you are independent. You can't come back to that case. So when Binta Nyako was saying that Justice James Omotosho did not approve her recusal, Nnamdi Kanu knew that was a lie. Nnamdi Kanu knew that, yes, so this is a lie. They're just trying to just bend the law and try to get away with it. Yes, he knew that was a lie. That's why Nnamdi Kanu no agree for Binta Nyako at all. But we really thank God that his case has been transferred to another judge. I posted a video concerning the judge and everything. You can go and watch my previous video. We really thank God that his case has been transferred to another judge, and we really thank God that they have fixed the date for his resumption of his trial. Because I mean, everybody, the last trial that we had back in February 10th, everybody thought that may be the last trial of Nnamdi Kanu. I mean, everybody thought that was where things will end. Like, let's just get this over with. Let Nnamdi Kanu be released at February 10th. But there was a very big twist. It was not supposed to be Binta Nyako that's supposed to be presiding. Nnamdi Kanu said that you have rescued yourself and you cannot come back to the case. You are rescued. You can't come back to the case. He didn't even give Binta Nyako a breathing space, because that is what they know how to do best. Bending the law for it to favor them. That is what they know how to do best. Corruption. That is what Binta, Tosho, all of them, federal government. That's what they know how to do best. Corruption. I mean, do they think it's an ordinary Nigerian that are going against? You're going against Nnamdi Kanu. They tell that Nnamdi Kanu himself does not know the law of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu knows the laws of Nigeria more than these lawyers. The lawyers themselves, they cannot tell me that they don't know the laws of this country. They know the laws of this country. Like, they're just doing it because of his Nnamdi Kanu, and they just want to convict Nnamdi Kanu. Period. Well, the requested that the change has been reassigned to another judge in the Federal High Court or transferred to the Southeast. I mean, that was what Nnamdi Kanu requested. That they said they should take it to another judge or transfer his case to the Southeast. And at least, thank God that it is now another judge that's presiding over the case. But I keep telling all these people, all those people that are saying, thank God Nnamdi Kanu be free, Nnamdi Kanu be free. Removing Binta Nyako and putting James Tosho, does not mean it will guarantee Nnamdi Kanu's freedom. Oh. I mean, if the federal government was successful in corrupting Binta Nyako, I mean, let us also remember, let us take a flashback back to 2017. Let us go back to 2017. Do you remember the time that Binta Nyako said it publicly that the case of Nnamdi Kanu is politically motivated? Do you remember that time? I mean, Binta Nyako was in support of Nnamdi Kanu, saying that Nnamdi Kanu's case is politically motivated, that the federal government are just doing all just this to just lock him down, put him down, so that he will not agitate for Biafra. You understand? And now she's not the same judge who is the corrupt human being in this case. So that's what I'm telling you. The power of money and the power of the federal government influencing somebody. Don't underestimate it, too. So don't think that the federal government is not the one that put James Omotosho there. They may put him there now. Maybe they've tell him things he need to do. So don't think that in Kanu's case will be easy as per se they have changed the judge from Binta to James Omotosho. Don't think it will be easy at all. I mean, a lot of Nigerians and a lot of Biafrans, a lot of IPOB supporters are waiting for March 21st. I mean, let us see what will happen. That is what everybody just waiting for. Like, let us just see what will happen. This delay is too much. This delay is too much. This Binta Nyako social delay is too much for 6 months. I mean, just for Binta Nyako's social drama and case of everything, Nnamdi Kanu's case got delayed for 6 months. I know that it was intentional. This one is not an excuse. The federal government intentionally delayed this case for 6 months. They don't want to release him. You see, Nnamdi Kanu, before Nnamdi Kanu will be released, is if another external party puts mouth into this problem of Nnamdi Kanu. Because I don't see Nnamdi Kanu getting freedom. Oh. I don't see it at all. In a Nigerian court against the Nigerian federal government. No. I don't see him getting his freedom. Because tell me what Nnamdi Kanu have not said. Tell me what he have not said. Tell me what he's not going to say that I have not said before. Nnamdi Kanu has defended himself. Even the federal government, they know that Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. There's no proof to link him to any of the bad things that you are accusing him of. And he's innocent. He has cleared himself, saying that he's innocent. This is that. Nnamdi Kanu has cleared himself. But the federal government don't just want to release him. Even when the court granted him bail, they do that why they do not still give him the bail. So that is what we're talking about here. I mean, we just pray for God to just guide him. It's God that have been guiding him, and it's God that will continue to guide him. What do you guys think? Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. You can tap that subscribe button here to the big red one with the notification bell, so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.